Grille emblems can often become damaged or worn down being at the very front of the vehicle. When they do, you can count on us to provide you with the highest quality reproduction on the market. I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1965 Chevelle and El Camino grille emblems. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. Each emblem is injection molded to factory specifications and ABS plastic just like the originals. They feature the correct red, white, and blue color scheme for an authentic appearance. In addition, every emblem comes with correctly located mounting studs to mount it to your Resto Parts or original grille with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.